Hey you guys, it's MJ. This is my absolute favorite thing in the morning. I love journaling in my Hobonichi so much that I'm getting anxious to get my supplies for 2026. Are you? I know they're going to be coming out. I think, is it September, October this year? I love how the pages get all colorful and chunky and filled with ink. Oh, I love it. So a couple weeks ago, there was a sale going on. I posted about it. Did you take advantage of anything? I did, and I think I got a pretty good savings. So let's check it out. All right, so as you guys know, this is the Hobonichi Han. This is what I went with for 2025, and I have just been over the moon with filling it out every day. It's just amazing in so many ways. It brings me joy every single day. Like I can't talk enough about it. Now, the price point of this is ridiculous. I don't even remember. It was over $50, I can tell you that. Because it is a hardcover. This is a hardcover. You know, that's basically it. It's a decorated hardcover. So moving forward for 2026, I'm open to other options. When I saw the sale going on Amazon, and I forgot the name of the sale, but it was really cute. It was kind of like, hop on these before they're gone, something like that. And I picked up a cover for the cousin. So I think this is going to be a nice option for me. So I'm going to clip open the side. I'm still going to keep it in the plastic until it's time to put the actual cousin in there. Does this have a lip on it? Oh, it does. Okay. So we're just going to slide this out. Isn't it sweet? Oh, I didn't even see this part. Okay, so they have the little thing in there. Oh, I love it. Life book. And everything is in Japanese. The techo. Which I believe, I'm getting confused now. Is it the techo or the cousin? I think I get this is a techo. I think I get the techo. But this is going to have, look at the pockets. We've got pockets. We have a side one over here, and this is a Hobonichi cover. Look how sweet. I think it's just going to be great. And, you know, I'm not throwing these out, of course, but I think it's a nice compliment from this year to next year. You know, with the colors and the moon and the darkness. I just love it. This, gosh, what was this? This was 20 bucks. And it was half off. I think it was 20. And I'll tell you what, looking at it, feeling it, the quality, oh, look. Aw, little kitty there. I think for 20 bucks, it was well worth it. And I love the extra sticker. I always love any type of information about the artist. We're just going to keep these in here. I'm going to keep everything together until it's that time. A part of me wanted to buy a 2025 because, of course, they were hugely discounted. They had this one at a huge discount. I mean, it's not that hard to cover up the date, you know? It's really not that hard to cover up the date and to put your own date there. It's just a little extra effort. You know, that's basically it. This, of course, would be a little bit different. You'd have to really, you know, you'd have to really get creative with the monthly calendars, but for a daily, you know, if there's a savings, I still may be open to it. I don't know. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. Are you a Hobonichi person? Did you take advantage of anything that was happening at the sale? Let me know in the comment section down below, and let me know of the cover that I picked. Let me know your thoughts. All right, I'll turn it back over to myself. That's it here for me. Make sure that you fill those pens and write those words, and I will catch you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. So until next time, goodbye for now.